Definitely you say NS2NP1. If you say 13th group element, there is difficulty of saying general configuration, right? Modern classification is 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, absolutely correct. But when you are learning the oxidation state, it is better if you say 13th, remove that one, third group elements. General configuration, NS2NP1. How many electrons? 3 electrons. Valency, 3. Oxidation state, +3, -3. If it is metal, +3. If it is non-metal, +3, -3. Okay, let us go to 14th group. Make it 14th as fourth group. If you say fourth group, sir, NS2NP2, 4 electrons. General oxidation state, +4, right? +2, -2 also possible. Like that, it is better if you go by third group, fourth group, fifth group, sixth group, seventh group names. Of course, they are nowadays called as 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right. General common oxidation state of nitrogen, -3. Remember that +3 is also possible. -5 plus in case of phosphorus, +3, -3, +5 is also possible. But there is a word, common oxidation state of nitrogen, -3. Common oxidations of oxygen, -2. No, sir, it can have -1 also in peroxides, -0.5 also in case of superoxide, some special cases, but common oxidation of oxygen, -2. Similarly, when we are discussing chlorine, what is oxidation of chlorine? -1, common. No, sir, +1 is also possible, +3 is also possible. All these are possibilities. But what I am saying, learn first common oxidation state. So, for example, first group elements +1, second group elements +2, third group elements +3, fourth group elements +4 and +2, fifth group elements, 15th group elements according to your notation. Common valence is +3, right? You can go to +5 oxidation and also common +3, right? Common, remember that, common valency. 16th group elements, oxygen sulfur family, common valency 2, oxidation state -2, right? 17th group elements, common valency is -1. We have variations. Okay, come on. Oxygen -1 in case of peroxides and oxygen -1 in case of superoxides. Now, that is the discussion which we have done in the previous class. Let us come to the other discussion now. If you have finished S block elements and P block elements, left out is D block elements. In case of S block elements and P block elements, remember something. What is that? Common oxidation states. But in case of D block elements, do not remember, right? Just try to learn method. Do not remember. Okay, come on, see here. D block elements, how can you proceed? Sir, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, right? All these are the members of 3D series. They are called 3D series elements. If you write scandium 21, argon 3D1, 4s2. Now remember that electron 4s is called outermost shell. When do you fill up the electron? Of course, they will go first to what? Sir, we are saying that 4s2 should be filled first, 3d1 later. I am not discussing about order of filling of the electron. I am discussing who is outermost. Who is outermost? Fourth orbit is outermost. Therefore, if you want to remove the electron in scandium, first 2 electrons will go, and possible oxidation state of scandium is +2. Whenever we say the possible oxidation state are supposed to be +2. But remember, there is a small thinking here. What is that? This +2 is not very much stable. Why? Because if you take this oxidation state, there is only one element available, unpaired electron, very, very unstable. Therefore, we are having most stable situation is +3. Hence, compounds of scandium are available in +3 oxidation state. It does not mean to say +2 is not possible. It is possible, but most stable relatively +3. Titanium, it is +2 if you remove this electron. No, sir, this 2 and this one, +3 is possible. This 2 and this 2, +4 is also possible, right? These are called as variable oxidation states. Go back to your periodic classification. In that chapter, your lecturer told you, in case of transitional elements, we have variable oxidation state. The word variable oxidation state refers to transitional elements because see here, vanadium, +2, +3, +4, +5. See here, this is vanadium, +2 because of these 2 electrons. These 2 electrons along with this one and this one, right? plus 3, no sir, plus 4, no sir, plus 5. All these oxidation states are possible, right? These are called possible, but some of them will be very stable. Okay. Similarly, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, all of them are having variable oxidation states available. Suppose, for example, you are discussing D block elements, not transitional elements, D block. If you discuss D block, then what to do? See here, in case of D block elements, zinc. Zinc is classified as D block elements. Wait a minute, just wait a minute. If you are talking about zinc, there is only one possibility. See here, we have 2 electrons to be removed. There is no chance with respect to other member. Therefore, we have only 2. In case of copper, there is a chance of +1 also. See here, it is also possible to have +1 oxidation state. Therefore, zinc is having only +2 oxidation state. Remaining all the members are having variable oxidation states. Okay, come on, please copy down. Write down systematically all the configurations. Write down carefully. Take down the number of unpaired electrons. Go slowly. It's over, but it's yesterday's discussion. Please go ahead for today's. Are you ordering Mumtaz to me? Or are you requesting me? Is it over? Okay, fine. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Write down, write down, write down. No problem. Yes, come on. Now, with these two slides, the previous one and this one, we have a general idea of common oxidation states. But when you go to problem solving, right, you have to follow a systematic method. This will just help you to remember common oxidation states. I'm repeating once again. First group elements plus 1. Second group elements plus 2. 13th group elements plus 3. Oxygen minus 2. Chlorine minus 1. Nitrogen minus 3. These are the common oxidation state. With this, we can do all the problems. Almost all the problems we can do, right? However, as you are go on solving the problems, you will be having more and more confidence. Come on, let us move. Nasser, is it over? Fine. Come on. Now, I am having 75 examples with me to enjoy a very good practice of oxidation state. And if you are having systematic involvement today, you can say, yes, sir, I am confident of calculating oxidation state of every member. Okay. I'll do some of the cases and you try to do some of the cases, because if I am doing all the problems, you will never get perfection. You have to involve yourself. Okay. So that purpose, see how I am going to do. Let us take first this sheet. I'll remove from here. Come on. I'm having this much space with me to understand and to do the problems. Come on. Question number 1. What is the method? I'll take first a typical example. I'll go to question number 6 first. Please be on the screen very carefully. This is very interesting. Confusion is not there. If you have proper understanding, no confusion will be there. I am talking about question number 6. H2SO4. What is asking? What is the oxidation state of sulfur? This is the question. No problem. What is the method of doing problem? See here. First of all, what we do, we'll take this hydrogen. What is the first group element? We know it's +1. How many are there? Into 2. Keep it here. Oxidation state of known element into 2. How many are there? Right? Plus sulfur. What is the oxidation of sulfur? I don't know. I have to calculate. Okay, X. How many sulfur? Only one sulfur. Don't write anything here. It is one here available, right? Come on. Plus oxygen. How much oxidation state? -2. How many is oxygens? 4. Is equal to, as a whole, this is neutral molecule. All the molecules will have 0 charge. Atoms and molecules will have 0 charge when they are freely available. So +1 hydrogen into 2 sulfur plus X. Oxygen -2 into 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, +2 plus X -8 is equal to 0. Therefore, X -6 is equal to 0. Therefore, X is equal to +6. Now we got the answer, sir. Oxidation state of sulfur in sulfuric acid is +6. This is the way which we try to calculate it. Come on. One more example I'll take. For example, which I want to do, H3PO4. I'll take H3PO4 or NaClO4. 11th example I am doing. If you take 11th example, what is that? NaClO4. Come on. He's asking what is the oxidation state of chlorine. What to do? Very simple, sir. Sodium belongs to which group? First group. Therefore, +1. How many sodium? Only one sodium. No problem. Chlorine. How much? I don't know. How many chlorines? One chlorine. Plus oxygen. -2. How many oxygens? 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, +1 plus X -8 equals to 0. Therefore, X -7 is equal to 0. Therefore, X is equal to +7. Therefore, in case of sodium perchlorate, chlorine has oxidation state of +7. Got the idea? Come on. Hope you understand that. Come on. Now come from the beginning. 1 to 15. Go slowly. Go slowly. And wherever we have doubt, tell me the number. I'll help you. Come on. Come on. Hurry up. Don't write 6th and 11th. Just see them, right? First of all, do one by one. MgO. Take out MgO in your notebook separately. Do it. Write the value. HCl. Write in your notebook. Do it. And substitute. Go slowly. Don't go slowly. Don't jump. Right? Don't be overconfident. Learn systematically. Go ahead. Go ahead. Up to 15. Up to 15. Please don't write answers. Please don't write answers. Just go on doing. Go on doing. I'll do here afterwards. Then you check your answer. If there is any problem, just ask it out. I am unable to understand your question, Ahmeduddin. Why we are taking a -2 for whom? For whom I am taking -2? I think you were absent today just now when I started the class, or you are sleeping or not, you're listening. I said common oxidation state of oxygen is -2. I said 3 times. Common oxidation state of oxygen is -2, chlorine -1, nitrogen -3, and we have written in the tabular form. Please go back to your notes, check tabular form of the previous class. Come on. No? Is it over up to 15? I am trying to write down the answers. Please check up your answer, and wherever we have a problem, just tell me. Just check up. Shoaib, check up the answers. Those who have finished, try to check up the answers. Anywhere, if you are getting a different number, if it is doubt, first try to correct it. Think and correct it. Don't ask doubt. First try to do yourself. You have that much knowledge. You can do it. If it is not possible, check the previous chart. Very good. Very good. Nice. Go ahead, beta. Go ahead. Shoaib, go up to question number... Yes, you can go up to 30. No problem. You can go up to 36. Don't go to 37. 37 onwards, I'll explain. There is a new concept. Anybody else? Completed up to 15. Complete. Check up your answer with my answer. If any difference is there in the answer, indicate it down. Okay, calm. Very good. Go ahead up to question number 36. Very good. Go ahead. Go ahead. Siddiqui, go ahead. Up to question number 36. Up to 15. Anybody, any problem? Eighth one. Eighth one is Abdul Wajid. Just think sodium. Which group, beta? Which group? Sodium. That's all. Job is over. Sodium is metal, therefore +1. It's finished. Simple. And if you want to do it, then sodium, I don't know, 2x. Sulfur is -2. Why? Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, same family member. Oxygen is common, having -2. Sulfur is also -2. अब ये चीजें स्टोर करना है आपके माइंड में. अच्छा, ऑक्सीजन -2 बोले, ठीक है, चलो स्टोर करो. सल्फर -2, अच्छा ठीक है, स्टोर करो. ये कॉमन चीजें हैं. We have to store it in our mind, not in notebook only. नोटबुक में तो सब लिखते हैं, माइंड में लिखना सीखो. Come on. Anybody else up to 15? Got it? Come on. I'll go 16th onwards. Check once again. Very good. Very good. Go ahead, Abrar. Go up to 36. Come up to this example only. (19). There will be problem with 19. I'm explaining 19. Please have a look here. All of you stop your working. Please look at the example number 19. You can do it. You people are genius. You can do it. But let me practice. Let me practice. HN3. See here. NH3. You have learned this fellow. You know this. Ammonia. Ammonia. Very good. Go ahead, Mumtaz. This is +1. Therefore, ammonia has nitrogen -3. Okay. This is called ammonia. Now, his elder brother, or say for example cousin, he is HN3. Who is this fellow? Hydrozoic acid. It is called hydrozoic acid. Very good. This is +1. Therefore, +1 plus 3x equals to 0. Therefore, 3x is -1. X is equal to -1/3. Yes, you are right. Come on, go ahead. Right. Very good. Come on, move. Go to 36 also. Go up to 36, no problem. Go ahead, Madani, go ahead. 36, up to 36, very good. Till 33, check the answers up to 30. Any problem? Okay, that also I do. $30. सुहेल, बेटा 30 में बेरियम का ग्रुप नंबर बोलिए जरा. अब्दुल्ला सुहेल, व्हाट इज ग्रुप नंबर ऑफ बेरियम? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Yes. And what about barium? Is it metal or non-metal? बॉटम में है, नीचे है तो क्या होगा? मेटल होगा. यस. अब बोलो, सेकेंड ग्रुप में है और मेटल है तो क्या करेंगे? +2 लिखेंगे. सिंपल है ना. थोड़ा सा सोचना शुरू कीजिए. डोंट बी मैकेनिकल. बेरियम कौन सा ग्रुप है? +2. अच्छा, अब सर हम मेथड से कैसा करेंगे? उसका नाम होना है आपको मालूम, बेरियम पेरोक्साइड. ओके, यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन -1 है. Right? Abdullah, Suhail and others, listen. Question number 30. Its name is barium peroxide. और peroxide में ऑक्सीजन क्या होगा? -1. इसका मतलब -1 है 2, -2. इसका मतलब बेरियम +2। ये तरीका सिस्टमैटिक जानने का है। नहीं सर, बेरियम सेकेंड ग्रुप का एलिमेंट है, बेरियम मेटल है, देयर इज नो अदर चांस अदर देन +2। ओके, कम ऑन। Any question up to 36? 1 to 36, any question? Go ahead. 12th question. All molecules. Tell me, Wahajuddin, do you have any neutral state or any charge? Molecules do have any charge on molecule? No. Yes, you are right. Molecules are neutral. Therefore, any individual molecule or atom, whenever they ask oxidation state, straightforward, say 0. That's all. Okay. Fine. Very good. Nice. Okay. 31st question. Where is that fellow? Come on. 31st question. Who is that boy? Zahiruddin. बेटा उसका नाम बोलो, जरा नाम बोलिए। वो कंपाउंड का हम कर चुके एग्जाम्पल कर चुके। ये नाम बोलिए जहीर। 31st वाले का नाम बोलो। लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड। ठीक है, अब बोलिए हाइड्राइड बोलो। हाइड्राइड ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट इज -1। अदरवाइज नॉर्मल मेथड से करो। लिथियम विच ग्रुप? फर्स्ट ग्रुप +1। एल्यूमिनियम विच ग्रुप? 13th group +3। +1 +3 how much? +4, and that is for 4 hydrogens. Therefore we have to say -1. Is it clear? Okay, now come to question number 37. Right, very good. अब जरा ध्यान दीजिए यहाँ पे। This requires proper concentration because it is a new concept to enjoy. Now to explain question number 37, I am going to question number 35 back, 36 back again. Okay, no problem. See here, 36 I am taking. All of you got the answer for 36, no problem. You are right. I am repeating it so that I can take help from that one. See here, nitric acid. What you have done? Very simple, sir. I have written here +1 for hydrogen, +6 for nitrogen, and then plus of -2 into 3. I said 0. I got answer x is equal to +5. I am happy here. Now, why you are happy here? There is some reason. For students, I am saying there is some reason. What is the reason? Sir, general configuration of nitrogen is NS2NP3. General configuration of nitrogen is NS2NP3. Why? It belongs to 5th group. Earlier naming, earlier nomenclature, old nomenclature, 5th group. Modern nomenclature, 15th group. 15th group. But to understand the nomenclature, oxidation state concept, old names are very helpful because see, nitrogen belongs to which group? 5th group, old name. Now, if it is 5th group, configuration is NS2NP3. How many electrons are there? There are 5 electrons. If there are 5 electrons, can you have oxidation state or valency beyond 5? Not possible, sir. What is the meaning of oxidation valency? How many electrons are available in the outermost shell? How many electrons are shared? How many electrons are involved from this member? Naturally, if he is having 5 rupees, he can spend only 5 rupees. How can we expect that to be a having expenditure of 7 rupees when there is only amount of 5 rupees? Therefore, the old group numbers are somewhat useful to enjoy concept of oxidation state. Now, if you learn this properly and if you understand, sir, there are 5 electrons here, come on. His elder brother is HNO4. Very simple, sir. Why you are taking tension? Hydrogen is +1, nitrogen is X, oxygen is -2 into 4, sir, is equal to 0. Therefore, X is equal to +7. Your calculations are absolutely correct, but answer is wrong. Calculations are absolutely correct. Your answer is wrong. Why answer is wrong, sir? You are having 5 rupees with you. How you are going to have expenditure of 7 rupees? Not at all possible. When there are 5 electrons in the outermost shell, how can you have loss or gain of 7 electrons? Then what is the problem? Sir, check my calculations. I have done very good calculations. Yes, you are right in calculations, but you are wrong in answers. Sir, what is the problem? The problem is the new concept says, first of all, try to know the name of this fellow. Who is this fellow? It is called pernitric acid. And wherever you know the name of the molecule, if it is given to you, wherever you have this word PER, be careful. What is the meaning of that? Sir, I have taken all these 4 oxygens as -2. What is the meaning of oxygen as -2? If you take oxygen as -2, oxidation state means you are dealing this oxygen as oxide ion. But we have learned, no, sir, it's also possible that oxygen can have -1 oxidation state. And what is this called? Peroxyoxygen. Peroxyoxygen, yes. Therefore, wherever the word per is there in the molecule, okay, there must be something wrong with oxygen, right? Out of 4 oxygens, some of them may be peroxyoxygens and some of them may be normal oxygen. What is the meaning of normal oxygen? -2. What is the meaning of peroxyoxygen? -1. Sir, how to know? How to know? Yes, it is very simple to know that one. For that purpose, they expand the formula. What is to be done? HOO. What we have done? Sir, I have created peroxy linkage. This is called peroxy linkage. O-O. It is called peroxy linkage. Now, how much is left out? 1 nitrogen is left out and 2 oxygens are left out. Write down as usual. Finished. Now, come on, start. What is the method of calculating oxidation state? This is +1, sir. This is -1. Peroxy oxygen. This is -1. This -1. This minus +1 cancel. Therefore, if it is -1, definitely this part should have +1 oxidation state because as a whole molecule is neutral. Now come to your normal method. What is normal method? I want to calculate the oxidation state of nitrogen. I don't know. Oxygen. Which oxygen? Normal oxygen. Normal oxygen. Right? Go in a proper way. It is normal oxygen. What is the meaning of normal oxygen? -2. How many normal oxygens? 2. Is equal to, don't write 0. Why? Sir, it is not a molecule, it is an ion. Is equal to +1. Therefore, what is the oxidation state? Oxidation state is +5. Is it possible? Why not? 3 + 2, 5 electrons are available. Hence, remember, listen carefully. Whenever you are getting oxidation state of any element, with your normal method of calculation, as we have done earlier up to 36 example, if you are getting answer equal to or less than total number of electrons in outermost shell, be happy, comfortable, right? Suppose, for example, if the calculated oxidation state is beyond your total number of electrons, check your calculation first. Sir, I have done properly calculations. Then it means to say that molecule may have peroxy linkage. So create a peroxy linkage. You may have 1 peroxy linkage, you may have 2 peroxy linkages. That will come by experience. As you are goes on doing number of problems, you can understand, yes sir, now I have idea how many peroxy. In case of pernitric acid, we have peroxy linkage. So write down the formula like this. Create peroxy linkage. Write down -1 for peroxy linkage. Remaining part you can solve by normal method. Go ahead, go ahead. वाजिद, नाश्ते के टाइम पे नाश्ता कर लीजिए बेटा, राइट? सर लंच में क्या है मत पूछिए, मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल समझा दिया और एक समझाना। अभी ये पहले करो बेटा, ये जो है करो, पहले ये तो कर लो, इसको अच्छा समझो, उसके बाद आगे चलेंगे। और एक समझाइए, अभी से बोल रहे हैं नाश्ता तो कर लो, दोपहर का पकाऊंगा, अच्छा आराम से जबरदस्त खिलाऊंगा, पहले नाश्ता करो। Concentrate and learn to concentrate. Behave like student of IIT, not intermediate student. First, concentrate on this example. I have elaborated a very large way of explanation. Write down systematically all of them. First, write down that +7. Cut it in your notes. Write down all this. See this one. Pernitric acid, I have written. This one, whole of this, write down. This part you write down and then make it cut. This is wrong. Right? You should know that one whenever you open your notes. ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, ये गलत है. कैसा करना चाहिए? ऐसा करना चाहिए. Okay, go ahead. No, Shoaib, don't go to any other example. Please don't go. You cannot do all those things. Wait for a while. I know, right? Therefore, I said go ahead. I'm not saying go ahead now, right? I don't want to answer your answer, Abdul Wajid beta. नहीं, मैं नहीं देना चाह रहा हूँ आंसर, क्योंकि मैं वो क्वेश्चन आपको 2 या 3 वक्त समझाया मैं, आप उस वक्त पता नहीं कहाँ थे. ठीक है, वेट कीजिए, दूसरे एग्जाम्पल में वेट करो, बजाय बार बार क्वेश्चन पूछने के आप वेट करो. वहाँ समझा दिया मैं, क्यों लिया -1 वहां पे समझाया. कैन यू प्लीज टेल एनीबडी इन द क्लासरूम व्हाई आई हैव टेकन -1 फॉर ऑक्सीजन? Did I explain that point? Why I have taken -1 for oxygen? Anybody can tell me? Did I explain that one? Did I explain that, or just simply I am going without that? वाजिद बेटा, इतने लोग रेस्पॉन्स दे रहे हैं, देखो बेटा, प्लीज 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 पढ़ाते वक्त में ध्यान दीजिए बेटा, प्लीज. चलिए. Is it over? No. It may not be suitable to explain only one example because it is a typical case. Come on, I'll take one more example. I'll take 3 examples. It is stretch because it is a very difficult job. And then I'll tell you, no, it is a simple job, right? Listen to me. No, it is a simple job. And how it is to be made simple, थोड़ा सा पसीना निकलने के बाद बताऊंगा कि इसको सिंपल कैसे बनाना है, right? Okay, come on, let us go to question number 38. राफे, आपको कुछ भी करना नहीं है बेटा, आप सिर्फ सुनिए. मैं बोलता था आपको, मैं बोला नहीं ना, इस वास्ते नहीं बोला कि वो आपको समझना है. तो 38 अभी सुनना है आपको. 38 मैं करूंगा, 39 मैं करूंगा, 40 मैं करूंगा, राइट? उसके बाद आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आएगा. उसके बाद आपको एक शॉर्ट चीज हाथ में दे दूंगा, अच्छा ऐसा करना चाहिए. चलिए, पहले कॉन्सेप्ट समझाऊंगा, फिर एक शॉर्ट मेथड बताऊंगा, वैसा कर लीजिए. चलिए, थोड़ा सा सब्र से काम लीजिए. वेरी गुड, यू आर डूइंग वेरी नाइस टुडे. 38. अच्छा, 38 समझाने से पहले, बिफोर गोइंग टू 38, मेरे पास 3 मिनट है. हम बिफोर गोइंग टू 38, आई विल गो टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. H2SO4. ठीक है, क्या बोले थे आप? वेरी सिंपल सर, +1 into 2 +2. वाजिद, प्लीज बी ऑन द स्क्रीन. सल्फर, आई डोंट नो. ऑक्सीजन, -2 into 4 -8. Why you are taking -2, sir? Because this is oxide. This is oxide. This is normal oxygen. This is equal to 0. Therefore, X is equal to, you said plus 6. And what is general configuration of sulfur? General configuration of sulfur is, come on, anybody can help me? General configuration of sulfur is NS2 NP4. Okay, sir. We are having 6 electrons. Very good. 6 electrons. Therefore, this 6 is very happy, sir. I am comfortable. Hence, in case of example number 6, we are very comfortable because we are getting oxidation state equal to number of unpaired electrons. But there is a problem in this example. Come on, come to question number 38. H2SO5. First of all, what I do, I'll behave like a normal method. Sir, this is plus 2, this is plus x, this is, come on, minus 2 into 5 is equal to 0. Sir, x minus 8 equals to 0. X is equal to plus 8, plus 8. No, sir, never it is possible to have plus 8 because we are saying here sulfur NS2NP4, there are 6 electrons. Therefore, remember, your calculations are absolutely correct, but your answer is wrong. Why? Sir, it cannot have oxidation state beyond total number of unpaired electrons in the outermost shell. Then what to do? Nothing to do. First of all, try to enjoy the name of this fellow. But not necessary हमेशा नाम रहना जरूरी है अपने जहन में. We are not parrots. We are going to be scientists. We are not parrots. जितना हो सकता है याद रखने की कोशिश करो. Per nitric acid. It is called per monosulfuric acid. ट्राई करो, याद रहा तो अच्छी चीज है, अदरवाइज नो प्रॉब्लम. कोई भी आपको नाम नहीं पूछेगा. पर मोनोसल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, इसका एक कमर्शियल नाम है कैरोस एसिड. ये भी याद रखो, अच्छी चीज है. नहीं याद रखेंगे नो प्रॉब्लम, याद रखेंगे फायदा होगा. इट इज कॉल्ड पर मोनोसल्फ्यूरिक एसिड और कैरोस. अब ये पर मोनोसल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के नाम से, अच्छा ओके ओके, इसके पास शायद पराक्सी लिंकेज है. अब अगर आपको ये आइडिया आ गया कि हियर वी आर हैविंग पराक्सी लिंकेज, कम ऑन ट्राई टू डेवलप द पराक्सी लिंकेज. वाजिद पराक्सी लिंकेज, दिस इज पराक्सी लिंकेज. अब क्या बच गया? H2, एक हाइड्रोजन बच गया. सल्फर, यस सर, लेफ्ट आउट. ऑक्सीजन, 2 are over, then this one. Now scientist Wajid, this oxygen is called peroxyoxygen. This is called peroxyoxygen. Wherever we have peroxyoxygen, we should write -1. And this oxygen is normal oxygen. Normal oxygen is always -2. Now, if it is -1, this fellow should be +1. Right? They are cancelling each other. If this is -1, whole of this is +1. अब आइए आपके नॉर्मल मेथड से. मेथड आपको चेंज करना नहीं है. +1. Sulfur, I don't know. Oxygen, which oxygen? Normal oxygen. Normal oxygen, right, is equal to 0. ठीक है? Then what about this? We are having oxygen, H2SO5. We are having hydrogen, -1 cancel. This -1 is called +1. As a whole, hydrogen is +1. H2. Sulfur, I don't know. Oxygen, which oxygen? Normal oxygen. -2, 3, 0. Therefore, what is the oxidation state? -6 +1, -5. Okay, +5. Are you able to? Yes, sir. I am having 6 electrons. Out of that, 5 are going to be involved. H2SO5, right? Therefore, yes, it is comfortable. In case of peroxy linkage, we have to go by this method. Chaliye. Now try question number 39. Don't go to 40. Question number 39. 40 is my job. 39 कर लो, 40 कल करेंगे. Wait. I made a mistake. You are right, beta. I made a mistake. You are right. Here, I should not take this fellow. Therefore, I am thinking, what is the problem? Where I done mistake, right? Yes, you are right, beta. This is +1. I am not going this side. This is +1. Very good. Thank you. This is +1. What should be the answer? Yes, Wahaduddin, you are right. Yes, wherever there is the word paroxy, OO. But there are sometimes two also, right? Till this example, 37, 38, 39, we are having only one. Let us see. Come on, hurry up. Go to 39. जल्दी करो, दूसरी क्लास है. Paroxy linkage is only OO, beta. Only OO is called paroxy linkage, not necessary hydrogen. Hydrogen is not in paroxy linkage, right? Remember, this is paroxy linkage. ऐसा होता है. ये हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड का स्ट्रक्चर है. इसको कहते हैं पेरोक्सी लिंकेज. अब यहाँ कुछ भी हो सकता है, सिर्फ इतना है पेरोक्सी. हाइड्रोजन नहीं. ओ हाइड्रोजन इज नथिंग देयर. रिमेंबर, यहाँ इत्तेफाक से हाइड्रोजन आ रहा है, नॉट नेसेसरी. देखो बेरियम पेरोक्साइड में क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 में देखो बेरियम पेरोक्साइड है, Ba आ गया वहां पे. In question number 39, are you getting answer 6? Very good. ठीक है. अब lastly, today's gift. What is that? Sir, I am calculating the oxidation state. Listen carefully, Wajid. Listen carefully. I am calculating the oxidation state, but sir, I am getting oxidation state beyond the possibility. Therefore, I am thinking there is a peroxy linkage, and hence I am doing so much difficult level, and I am doing. ये तो हो गया, सीख गए, कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया. अब अंदर की बात ये है कि जब भी ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट अवेलेबल इलेक्ट्रॉन से ज्यादा होता है, आंखें बंद करना, जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन से उतना लिख देना बाय, +4 मार्क्स मिल जाते. बात समझ में आई? ये सब कैलकुलेशन पढ़ाने के लिए आरिफ साहब को काम था, पढ़ा दिए, लेकिन अंदर की बात ये है कि सर हमको टाइम बचाना है. अगर ऐसा करना है, whenever we are getting oxidation state beyond the available number of electrons, simply write down the number of electrons. Check. Pernitric acid 5 लिखे आप, H2SO5 सोडियम कार्बोनेट, H2S2O8 एक्सप्लेनेशन कर देता हूं मैं, आप सॉल्यूशन उसका घर में आप कर लीजिए. नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन से उतना लिख देना, कार्बोनेट बाय. अब ये सब काम था, नो प्रॉब्लम था, पढ़ा दिए. वी आर हैविंग सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट, हम ले लिए. थैंक यू, बाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. We are having sodium sulfate. Nice. This whole put together is total mixture is dash grams, 2 grams. Correct. Now he is heating this one. Yesterday what we have said, if you are heating sodium carbonate, we know that sodium carbonate is thermally stable. Therefore, there will be no reaction because it is thermally stable. On the contrary, sodium bicarbonate is thermally less stable. Therefore, if it is heated, we get more stable compound Na2CO3 plus carbon dioxide plus water. We are having 2 NaHCO3, we have Na2, we have 2 hydrogens, we have 2 carbons, we have 6 oxygens balanced. And now we'll take this fellow, sodium sulfate, right? Remember that sodium sulfate is not going to give you any carbon dioxide. Therefore, I say here, there will be no such response available at normal temperature, whatever you are discussing. Come on, gently. Now, we are having carbon dioxide available. Okay, he is saying that the volume of carbon dioxide released is 124 ml. Naturally, it should be the volume of carbon dioxide from all substances. No, sir. First one is not giving carbon dioxide. Third one is not giving carbon dioxide. Therefore, whatever carbon dioxide we are getting it only from bicarbonate. Okay, come on. Let us relate. Yesterday, there was a problem with one student, sir, how you are relating to, see here. Suppose, for example, if I take 1 mole of carbon dioxide, I should have starting how many moles? 2 moles, right? If it is 10 moles here, it must be 20 moles. Therefore, I have written like that. Number of moles of sodium bicarbonate Find final solution molarity is also given, no problem. Okay. Resultant
Nossa,
molarity
fila
is
da
1.6.
puta, isso.
If it is so, job is finished, sir. I know resultant molarity is equal to.
Tira a mão.
What was that? Yes.
Chega uma porra.
N1P. He is saying x is to y, x by y is equal to pi by 4. Therefore, x is equal to pi by 4, 5y by 4. Come on. Resultant molarity 1.6 is equal to what is M1? M1 is x. Five.
Isso.
If it is okay, what is next? Whatever you are doing is absolutely correct, but water of crystallization, no problem. 10.11 is acceptable, but we should write answer as 10. Okay, shall I proceed? Water of crystallization should not be fractional value. Very good. 10.031 acceptable. Come on, let us go ahead. Okay, what is next? Question number 22. बहुत सिंपल है, आप लोग कर सकते हैं. चलिए टाइम है अपने पास, कर लेंगे. Question number 22. This is a very simple story. Most of you can do it because you people are genius. No problem. 22. 250 ml of X molar solution and 500 ml. 250 ml X molar and 500 ml Y molar. No problem. They are mixed together. He's asking total volume is 2 liters.
Agora.
I'll write like this because everything is ml. Find final solution molarity is also given, no problem. Okay. Resultant
Nossa,
molarity
fila
is
da
1.6.
puta, isso.
If it is so, job is finished, sir. I know resultant molarity is equal to.
Tira a mão.
What was that? Yes.
Chega uma porra.
N1P. He is saying x is to y, x by y is equal to pi by 4. Therefore, x is equal to pi by 4, 5y by 4. Come on. Resultant molarity 1.6 is equal to what is M1? M1 is x. 5y by 4 into 250. What is M2? Y. I keep y as it is. All the problem will be in y. By total 750. No. He has said 2000. Okay, go ahead. Find out y. Once you find out y, what is y? Y is equal to x. You can find out. Directly you'll go for that value. Why to take unnecessary double? Substitute the value of y. Get x here. Go ahead. Total volume is 2 liters. I'll write like this because everything is ml. Find final solution molarity is also given, no problem. Okay. Resultant molarity
Fila
is
da
1.6.
puta, isso.
If it is so, job is finished, sir. I know resultant molarity is equal to.
Tira a mão.
What was that? Yeah. Equivalent weight means molecular weight by valence effect. What is molecular weight? 106. No, 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 no. 106.